So this fidget spinner had came apart, and we're trying to demonstrate how to put it back together if it came apart. So this is the gold two-finger one. So this is the left and the right side, and then you can see the bearing on the inside. But here you can unscrew this. So step one, it came right out. So I sit this in the middle so I won't confuse the side. And step two, and then you can see these two that connect here, and then the wheel bearing in the middle. So you take the wheel bearing, you take, these are both the same, and you place it in the middle. Once you place it in the middle, you're going to sit it back into here, and then you'll put the back in, and then you screw this back on for security. Then you take your top. What's the difference in your top and your bottom? And you just screw it on. It doesn't matter which end you start with. And once you screw it on, it's back together. It took us a while to figure it out. Couldn't find it online. So I kept playing around with it until I figured it out myself.